Hi, I'm Dr. Shelly Hester, a scientist at Nu Skin and a mother of two. Mom, what are we having for breakfast? This is one of the questions I get every day. We all want our families to have healthy meals, especially for breakfast. But as a working mother, I need something fast and nutritious because preparing even a simple breakfast seems like too much work on rushed weekday mornings, right? Well, Pharmanex Cereal is a great choice for busy families. It is a delicious and nutritious breakfast drink to start your day. Pharmanex Cereal contains a blend of ingredients specially formulated with plant nutrients. It provides natural grains such as quinoa, oat, and soybeans. It is also a good source of high-quality protein because of the whey and soy protein ingredients. But that's not all. Pharmanex Cereal is fortified with inulin and choline. Inulin is a type of prebiotic that promotes good digestive health, while choline is an essential nutrient that supports vital body functions. Now you and your family can enjoy the goodness of Pharmanex Cereal, enriched with multiple vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, vitamins A, C, and D, zinc, calcium, iron, and selenium. Both adults and kids love Pharmanex Cereal for its vanilla and chocolate flavors and high nutritious value. Packaged in ready-to-go sachets, you just need to open the packet and add it to 200 ml of warm water, mix well, and drink. Over the weekend, it is so fun to prepare something special for your kids. This is a great recipe, vanilla berry cereal. The ingredients: a sachet of Pharmanex Cereal vanilla flavor, 150 ml of water, 50 ml of strawberry flavored yogurt, some diced strawberries, and some chopped nuts. First, mix the cereal with water. Then add the yogurt and mix well. Garnish with the nuts and strawberries. Serve and enjoy. With Pharmanex Cereal, breakfast is simple and easy to prepare on busy mornings. What's more, it's a very nutritious breakfast that I know your family will enjoy. A cup of Pharmanex Cereal will be your family's favorite cereal drink.